So guys, welcome back. We have seen all the options that are available in conditional formatting, and I hope you're using them. Now, what we need to understand is how do I clear the rules? Now, sometimes you want to see a specific rule, or if you want to just remove the conditional formatting rules that you defined previously on your active sheet, and this way you will increase the reusability of the Excel worksheet and permit you to apply different conditional formatting rules. So suppose sometimes you want to just change your rules by clearing the existing rules. How you can do that? Again, you need to go to the home tab, which is available on your ribbon. Go to conditional formatting, which is available on the styles group. You need to click on the conditional formatting command and click on clear rules. Now, clear rules has four different options. Clear rules from selected cells, clear rules from entire sheet, clear rules. Currently, this is not viewable because I have not converted. My data is in form of a matrix. It is not in a form of a table. I'll tell you how to convert it to table in just few minutes. Clear rules from this pivot table. So if I have a pivot table on this data and I put a conditional formatting on it, this would be activated. Right now, since I'm using plain data, only these two options are available. So let's see first these two options, then we'll go to the next two. So if I select this data, I want to remove the conditional formatting only for this region column. So I'll just select this data. I'll go to conditional formatting, click on clear rules, and I click on clear rules from selected cells. So it will clear rule only for my selected cell. So I'll say clear rules. It will not clear the rules for the column units, unit cost, and total. So I clear the rule for region. So I'll say clear rules, and all the rules, conditional formatting rules have been cleared for this particular column. Now, suppose I want to clear the rule for this entire sheet. I do not want to select one column at a time every time. So I'll just click here. I'll go to you can click anywhere on the sheet and say conditional formatting. Go to clear rules and say clear rules from entire sheet. You see all the conditional rules or the conditional formatting for this entire sheet has been removed. So these are the two options to clear your conditional formatting on your data. Now, there are two other options. These are specifically for table and pivot table. For this, I need to first have this data been presented as a table. So how this is done is I select the data, I say insert, and I click on table. So what it will do is it will convert this data into a table. See, okay? And you'll find the data has been converted into a table. Yeah, and you can see the designs that I can put on it. Now, if I try to have a conditional formatting for this, so for units in this table, I want a conditional formatting. I go to home, I go to highlight greater than equals to 61. Okay, I am okay with that. So I have a conditional formatting on the table now. So what I can do is I go to conditional formatting, I say clear rule and clear rules from this table. So this option has got enabled because now my data is in a form of table. So I say clear rules from this table and it will clear all the rules that are available in this table. Clear? So we saw clear selected columns. We saw clear collect for the entire sheet, and we saw how to clear the conditional formatting rule for the tables as well. Yeah, I'll just go back to my existing data. I will I will try to create a pivot table here itself. I say insert pivot table on the existing sheet and I put my table here. I'll say, okay, what do I want in my table? I want the regions and I want the units here in the values. So you can see I have a pivot table here, which is showing me values or the units that has been sold for each region. Yeah. Now I want to put a conditional formatting on this particular data. I want to highlight anything which is below 100. So I go to conditional formatting, highlight, as you know earlier, less than, I'll say 100. Yeah. And I'll say, okay. Now the conditional formatting has been applied on the pivot table. Now, how do I remove the conditional formatting on pivot tables? I go to conditional formatting, say clear rules, and now the option for clear rules from pivot table has been enabled because I have done some conditional formatting on the pivot table itself. So this is called pivot table, which you'll see in our advanced videos. But for your information, this is called pivot table, where you create a summary on a given data using the insert pivot table command on your menu bar. Yeah. Now this, if I want to remove the conditional formatting on this pivot table, I go to conditional formatting, clear rules, and I have this option enabled now. So this is specifically to clear rules from pivot tables. Okay, so I click on this and see all the conditional formatting from the pivot table has been removed. Yeah, so till now we have seen how we can apply conditional formatting and how we can clear conditional formatting from a particular data set within worksheets. Yeah, hope you understood this particular concept. Hope you like this video. Uh, Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Do comment if you want me to cover any of the topics in future during a 365 days of journey on Excel. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that's how you are going to get all my videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.